Welcome back, Happy New Year. In today's video we'll be reviewing the first exciting gadget of 2022, an affordable true wireless stereo TWS earphones with great sound quality and premium features like active noise cancellation and 6 microphones with tons of battery life, the UGREEN HiTune X6. Now it's a bit long name which is quite annoying. It could have been AirPods and Earbuds, but they chose to call it HiTune X6. Now there's a history behind it, so for that you have to check the video. Everything else about this device is great as well as an affordable price. So let's go and unbox it. So UGREEN is a popular maker of range of products starting from charging devices, mobile phone, computer accessories to home and automobile accessories. Its TWS line is also making waves with this HiTune X series. The newest offering is this device, the HiTune X6, and is shaping up to be the best value earphone that packs premium features in less price point. With so many TWS devices in the market, will the UGREEN HiTune X6 be able to stand out from the crowd? Let's find out. So let's find what's inside the box. Now we have the UGREEN HiTune X6 Bluetooth headset, which is packed in a black cardboard box with a picture of the headset printed in the center of the front and surrounded by stripes kind of objects, giving the feeling of music diffusion somewhat. On the upper part we have the UGREEN logo, and on the lower part we have the product model. On the back side is the 4 major selling point of the headset, and on the right side there's a charging box / headphone picture, and below are the product specification, especially for geeks like me. Now on the side is the basic information on the manufacturer, and the packaging style is relatively low key and restrained. Now let's unwrap this thing. Okay, now opening the outer box, the headset operation guide appears right in front of you. Below it is a black Spectrum, a charging box with built-in earphone and 2 pairs of earplugs. Remove all the packaging and take a look at the family portal together. In addition to the charging box with the built-in earphone, it's also equipped with a charging cable, earplugs, manual, and a warranty card. The X6 Bluetooth headset charging box is made of ABS material, a rectangular shape and rounded corners. Looks beautiful. The main body is in deep space grey color, frosted metal texture, and the outer cover is black frosted. The two-tone color design looks somewhat more fashionable. There is also an arc-shaped indicator light on the front of the charging box, a Type-C charging port, and a Bluetooth reset button on the back. UGREEN doesn't miss a chance to put in their logo, so we have the logo right on the top. On the whole, the charging box is exquisite, beautiful, and full of artistic conception. If we open the charging box, we find that there are basic parameters of the charging box in the lid. The inside of the charging box is black with a combination of matte and baking paint. Now, when we take the earphone out and put it back in, we see that the earphone is placed back magnetically. This somewhat gives you a satisfying and a luxurious feeling, and also secures the earphone from falling. Now, UGREEN HiTune X6 is an all-in-ear true wireless Bluetooth headset, and at the same time as the charging box, the appearance is a combination of space gray and black. The elliptical dark gray area in the touch area with a slightly bulging arc design in the center which fits closely with the fingers for easy operation and is dotted with the logo. There are 3 microphones on the single earphone for noise reduction, and there are 2 metal charging contacts at the bottom. In addition to the standard earplugs pre-installed on the headset, UGREEN HiTune X6 also presents 2 pair of earplugs of different sizes, which can be selected according to the size of the ear canal. The black charging cable is equipped with Type-C interface plug. The wire is thicker and the quality also looks good. The manual uses color graphics to indicate that it is simple and easy to understand. Now guys, the quality control level of manufacture can be seen from the details. The UGREEN HiTune X6 Bluetooth headset has a uniform color, smooth openings, and tight joints. The sieve mesh on the earphone has a uniform aperture and non-nuisance, and the edges are smoothly combined, and the metal contacts are bright and rust-free. To connect, turn on the charging box, then turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone, search for available devices UGREEN HiTune X6 experience and just follow the prompt to pair and connect. When you use the headset again, open the charging box and the headset would automatically remember to connect back, which is very fast and convenient. Now let's talk about the design a bit. The case is designed differently from what we have been accustomed to. Both the top and the base are flat, while the sides are curved. It has a plastic build, but it definitely looks and feels premium. The case is also not slippery on the hands. It has a matte texture that gives you a good grip. Its small footprint allows you to slide it easily in your pockets. For monochrome lovers, you'll be delighted by the grey and black tones of the case. On the top of its minimalist appeal, the audio device also has the UGREEN branding on the top lid. Both the multifunction button and the USB-C are on the rear, while the LED notification is on the front. Just like the case, the pair of earbuds comes in unique design. Though the earbud head are regularly shaped, the stem adopts a pod-like construction which could be visually bulky. This could be an eyesore if you're into slim stems like AirPods. Aside from that, everything else falls in place in terms of the build. The earbud features a two-tone colorway and they are also using ear tips to passively seal noise. Fit and function. Despite its construction, the HiTune X6 is very comfortable to use even in longer periods of time. The earbuds do not fall off easily from your ears even in strenuous workouts. You can optimize your experience by choosing the preferred ear tips which comes out of the box. The HiTune X6 supports active noise cancellation, which makes it one of the most affordable devices in the market that supports active noise cancellation ANC. You can activate it by long pressing either of the earbuds. However, I noticed that the volume is cranked down when you're toggling to ANC mode. It feels like a chore putting it back to its pre-ANC volume. Now the earbuds are touch activated, which is very handy when compared to an actual physical button found in other earbuds. By default, you can play or pause by doing a single tap left or right on the touch interface. You can skip to the next track by triple tapping the right earbud and go back to the previous tap by triple tapping the left earbud. Likewise, you can answer and end calls by single tapping left or right. Declining a call is also easy. All you have to do is to make a long press gesture for 2 seconds. Additionally, you can invoke the voice assistant by doing the same gesture, and the UGREEN HiTune X6 also support different kinds of modes. You can switch to normal and gaming mode by quadruple tapping either left or right earbud. Activating the ANC feature would require a press and a hold gesture for 1 second. It's also worth noting that the TWS offers a 50 millisecond ultra low latency and 6 mic noise cancellation features. The latter reduces ambient sound, so you'll register to have clear and noise-free input on your caller's perception. Let's talk a bit about the sound quality. The UGREEN HiTune X6 is a winner in terms of sound quality. My personal favorite is the bass response. It's rich and oozing with texture. It has an established sound stage with instrument being registered well. The lows, mids and high are well balanced as well. Voice calls or voice in general are registered clear and loud. This TWS is very dependable in virtual meetings and online conferences. The device in-ear detection feature is also very good. Like what I've said before, the hybrid ANC feature is on point. I wish there's a companion app for UGREEN wireless earphones, which we don't see at all. The app could have provided customization and management features for the device. Let's talk a bit about the battery life. I squeezed in more than 5 hours of uninterrupted music playback with the earbuds. That's quite an impressive feat. Turning on the ANC feature will cut the battery life to almost 4 hours. With the case, you can last up to 26 hours of battery life. The USB support allows the device to take advantage of the fast charging feature. You can charge the earbuds from 0 to 100 in 2 hours almost. Now we speak about the price and wrapping it up, the wrap. Now the X6 sells at the price of $56. That's a very competitive price. These earbuds are a very decent set of active noise cancellation earbuds that can reach up to a tug of coattails of Apple's flagship earbuds. Now, Apple retails almost like $200, but it gives Apple a run for its money because it almost competes with it. So if you're on a budget and looking for something decent set of active noise cancellation earbuds, don't mind a little boomier bass. That would definitely give these UGREEN X6 earbuds a listen. Some of the plus points and the highlights of the X6 product is it's first of all a great sounding TWS. It's a winner ANC feature for its price of $56. Awesome overall value. The microphone quality is great. Affordable compared to some quality earbuds. The lows stem is quite bulky, and there's no app support, and it also does not support a Bluetooth 5.2. Anyway, hope you have liked this video. Do send your feedback by commenting in the comment section below. If any point of time you wish to buy this product, there are discounted links in the description below. Also wishing you a great 2022 with lots of love and excitement. Happy New Year and stay safe.